Does your turn signal blink fast? But both lights in the front and the back are on. It's just one of two places that could be causing the issue. My name's Rick Burrows. You're watching Fixture Rick. Somehow he always sneaks into the videos. Great content. Say hi to the camera. First place to check is your front passenger light. Grab the little tab, pull it out. Next we gotta follow this to the screw right here. I don't have a screwdriver for that size, so we're just gonna use the gerber. Once you have the screw removed, you can simply pop the slide out. Once you have the light fixture flipped over, you can then go in and remove your blinker light. So we can see here this blinker is working, so let's go ahead and check the back side. So next what we have to do is we have to check the light that's inside here. In order to do that, you have to remove this little cap. And you'll have 3 of these little knobs that you have to unscrew. Move this little flap over and you'll see the other 2. And the third one is above it. Now we can go ahead and pull the rear taillight out. He's really curious about the trunk. Let's go ahead and twist and pull this out. Kind of see the light is lit, but it's not blinking. The base is no good, or something's no good about this light bulb. Let's go ahead and shut our blinker off. Alright, so you do want to be careful when you're pulling this out. It may break on you, and I highly recommend that you have the lights off. Okay, prop just like that. This is what a new one looks like. Let's go ahead and throw that in. Now let's go ahead and turn the blinker on. So far so good. Let's check the back. Look at that. Now our blinker is blinking at a good speed. Go ahead and shut it off. Pull the keys out. So all we do is simply the reverse process. We put the bulb in and we twist it and it locks in place. We want to align the holes to get it back in there. Like so. So now we'll go ahead and we'll put these back on there. Go ahead and put this assembly back together. Take your bulb, put the bulb back in and give it a twist so it locks. These can be a little tricky to get back in, but if you look, you have this point right here. It has to go in here first. And the trick with this pin is that you have to go back, down, and then down. And then put the other screw back in the screw hole. I want to give a big shout out to my little nephew Jack. Jack, you're the reason why I made this video today. I was like, Jack needs a Fixture Rick video. Love you, buddy. Alright, so with that being said, hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you found that this video helped you. And always remember that Jesus Christ loves you, and only He can solve your biggest problem.